Camera.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
We are delighted to have you here today. But before we start, let us first introduce ourselves. My name is Sasong,
My
and
name
they are my co.
My name is Amo. This is my name. Here.
Today, we will present about how to be the best project manager. This information we are going to know more about how to be the best project manager. This information we had divided the presentation into 6 parts. I will begin with the background of the big introduction. Then,
My name, I need to continue the responsibility. Next,
Yes, I will start with the skill.
are you? I will begin about how to be the best hotel manager and the last.
And I continue about working condition and summing up the conclusion. And chúng mà skill đó là
let's start. There are many modules in a manager for control locator here. A better manager recognize.
don't forget about the water. We start again. But
You know here
chúng mà skill là skill của thế là của anh.
you can store in the purchaser. So amazing. So amazing. Oh, very important.
This is a me.
Yeah.
This is us we.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
So,